Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming console access and noting the active iOS file name so you can restore later if necessary. Once connected, save any running configuration you want to keep with copy running config startup config. This avoids accidental loss. Next, reboot the switch and interrupt the boot process to enter ramen or use the device-specific break sequence. Doing this lets you bypass the normal startup config and perform low-level file system operations to remove the config safely. Once in the file system environment, list files with dir flash and dir nvram to find startup config and vlan. Dat. Then delete the startup config using delete/force nvram, startup config, or write erase in privileged exec mode. Remove vlan database with delete flash vlan. Dat when present. Make sure to confirm each delete with a directory listing. Verification prevents accidental removal of iOS images. After deletion, use show startup config to ensure the config is gone before you reload the device. After removing config files, reload the switch so it boots with a clean, default configuration. Use reload and confirm the device does not load any startup config. If the switch fails to boot or you lose an iOS image, restore it from flash or transfer via TFTP or X modem, then set the boot variable and reload. Make sure to monitor the console output during boot to capture errors. This logging is the single best troubleshooting tool to identify missing images or corrupt files quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.